Hey, welcome back, Daniel Parsons. It's the 10th of May, 2023. Real short video update today, how to do your maintenance to keep earning commissions in the lucrative Prife International pay plan. It has been modified to pay out more bonuses. And so it's only $30 a month to stay active. And for you to have a home-based business, $30 is nothing. That's $1 a day. People spend way more than that on Starbucks or other coffees and things like that. So I'm going to go right into screen share. And the nice thing about Prife International is that your money actually goes into your bonus redemption wallet. So why would you not want to stay active? So I logged into my wife's account here. Actually, I'm on the wrong one. Let me go to a different window and share screen, share window or screen, entire screen, and allow. And let's go to Prife. There. Okay. So I had Chrome open for my wife's account. But anyway, let's make sure that CAPTCHA is fresh. There's so many things that you have to be aware of in technology. It works wonderfully most of the time. So here we go. We're logging in. And I got $30 into her register wallet. But if you don't have $30 in your register wallet, let me show you how to do it. So let me scroll down here and get rid of this info update. So here my wife, she's got 9 days left. So we need to upgrade her on the maintenance. So let's scroll down. And right here you see register wallet $30. Okay, so if she did not have the $30 there, I'll show you how to do it. Hit the top up button right here, okay? Now, you would want to put $30 here, okay? And then remark, and you want to put maintenance May 2023. And then hit submit, and you're going to get a PayPal form here. And so I'll just quickly show you this. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. Okay, got to put something in here. May 23, hit submit. All right. Now you're being taken to PayPal. If you do not want to create a PayPal account, right here, use an email address and use a mobile phone number that PayPal does not know about. Then just simply move this box right here. Instead of having it checked, turn it off by clicking on it. Then just put your payment card in here, expire date, CVV, and the rest of this is simple. Hit pay now, and then you'll be able to have $30 in your register wallet like my wife did. Then you'll come back over here on the navigate page, hit maintenance, okay? And this is really simple. Once you've done it one time, you won't have any problems. You need to put your username for the person that's gonna get the maintenance paid. Right here, you see we've got 30 in her register wallet balance. The only thing that you need to worry about is this auto maintenance field. You want to change it to 1 month. If you can afford it, go ahead and just pay the whole $360. Why? All of that money goes into your bonus redemption wallet. I've never seen a company that does that. And then you just simply can redeem another classic device for free once you put $20 more in, and then you can sell that device and you get all your money back for 1 year of maintenance, and you're earning the level pairing bonuses and all of the other income bonuses in the pay plan. Why would you not do that? So anyway, right there, we're going to pull it from the register wallet amount. So you want to have the $30 listed there. You don't want to have anything in the bonus wallet. And then just put the security password and hit confirm and watch what happens. Your purchase is completed successfully. Let's go back to the home page. And I've got some fascinating updates for you about testimonials on the Renew patches and the iTerra Bio foot massager. If I could only have one Prife International product, it would be that foot massager. All right, you see right here on the home page, my wife is now green for 39 days, okay? So that's it for this video, and we will be making a brand new video about testimonials shortly. God bless you. Bye for now.